guys, today I'm going to talk about the NA-45 sniper rifle. This guide contains everything you need to know about it. First of all, it's a grenade sniper, so you can use it at close range as well as long range. How it works is it gives you two bullets. Okay, the first one puts a bomb on your enemy, and the second one detonates it. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how it works and how it looks. So I'm gonna go in a practice of AI, start the match. Here we go. Equip that bad boy. As you can see, you're getting two bullets in each reload, in each magazine. See, the first one, the fire, puts a bomb on the enemy. See that red mark? That is the bomb. The second one detonates it. So this is how I'm using it in long range. You can also use it for area damage. I prefer to use it in long range because hipfire in this game sucks. Actually, face it, hipfire sucks in this game. See, you can use it in close range if you are a pro guy. I am not gonna use it in close range. Preferably, I use it in long range. Gun is pretty OP, and the bot just sniped me. Wow. This gun is pretty OP, but it can also kill you. The bomb that you put on the enemy can also kill you. So you have to use flak jacket. Flak jacket perk is very important for this gun. Otherwise, it's just gonna kill you. See, you are gonna get damaged either way. Its blast range is pretty good. So even if you're firing at a medium distance, you can get damaged to it. But this gun is pretty OP. Like, if there are two enemies together, three enemies together, this gun is pretty much the god in domination mode or hardpoint mode, because everyone is gonna be together. So you can just blast them all to hell. There's one thing that I don't get in this game for this gun. The marker for the bomb and a normal grenade that we use is the same. So if someone throws a grenade at you, you don't know if they threw a grenade at you or you just used your own gun, bomb, the sniper's bomb. Oh my god, my phone is dying. Anyways, that is I don't know. No game can be perfect, I guess. And vulture perk is pretty useful for this because you're just gonna get 30 or something bullets. And if you are using it at long range, you're gonna miss. If you are using it at long range, it has a really good precision. But if you're gonna use it at close range, the precision goes out of the window actually. And the first bullet only gives 30 damage to the body. If you shoot it at the body, the first bullet will only give you 30 damage. But if you give a headshot, the first bullet can kill the enemy. Gives 100 damage. You don't even need the blast. And I got killed there. Wow. Anyways, I'm gonna quit now. I don't need to show you anything else. I mean, I need to show the attachments yet. So let me show you the attachments. Now, the attachments that I recommend, you have to reduce ADS speed basically. For the scope, if you're using a long range or a short range. If you're using a long range, I recommend 3x scope. Not more. It's not required to use more than that. Okay. If you're using a close range, I recommend tactical scope, because why not? Why anything else other than a tactical scope? Okay. For this gun, you need to reduce the ADS speed, and you need to have reload speed, I guess, and hip fire accuracy probably. So I'm gonna use this custom light to decrease the ADS speed. Sleight of hand for reload speed, obviously, because you need to keep reloading the gun. Light laser for ADS, and in this you can use the fragment ammo, high explosive ammo or electromagnetic ammo. But the thing is, the fragment ammo and explosive ammo both give the same damage. The electromagnetic ammo actually has less damage than these two, but it gives you a big impact damage. The impact damage more if you use the electromagnetic ammo. So I suggest using the electromagnetic ammo. I can't use it right now, okay, because my gun is not maxed out. But if you're gonna max it out, use the electromagnetic ammo. Don't use the fragment ammo because it decreases everything you need. ADS speed, reload speed, both are decreasing. So don't use that. It's just a wastage. Don't do that. And grape, I don't think you need any grips actually on this, because all the grips that I see here are just decreasing what you need. Like ADS speed is decreasing. If you need recoil control, then you can use 4 grips, but I don't recommend that. There it is, guys. This is all about the NA45 grenade sniper rifle. Please like the video if you learned something today, and please subscribe for more COD videos. Thank you.